Hi everyone. Yeah, I just finished developing this website called AI-Big.com. You will be able to generate images. You will be able to train your own custom model. Like from this image to you will be able to transform to these kind of images. Okay. You can explore how other people create and stuff like that as well inside the explore. Okay, let's log in. Okay, I just log in. There's two way to generate images. One is like the normal text to image, like this one described. Headshot, for example, headshot of a man. And then you will be able to generate kind of like this kind of images. You can choose the different image style. For example, this one is like digital art. And then it should be able to generate the digital art. But if you choose none and if you put digital art style and things like that, it should be okay as well. Let's go to 3D and try it out. 3D and digital art is sometimes a bit similar. Yeah, but I did currently is okay. So next one is the train models. So for me, I already have the model that I already trained, which I gave us like such a. But let's say let me refresh the page so that it will go on all the photo image generator. Yeah, by the way, if the images that generator that you just generated, and if you want to see, right, you just go to my creation and you should be able to see your images as well. Okay, let's go back. Train model normally, if you don't have this your own custom model, you will need to train one. So you can click here or click here, train a new model. First you need to give a name. For my case, I already gave like such a just to be aware, this name you have to reuse inside your prompt, so it's good if it is short. You have to upload images of your own from 12 to 20. 20 is like maximum. And these are the example. So I always recommend to take what you want to appear with the AI. So for example, if you want to generate images or like full body shot, right, you upload a bit of more full body shot, and sometimes a bit of like, let's say just the face only, so that AI will be able to detect it. Okay, after you finish generating, it will go to train model page. Let's say for me, I already have this model called Sajja. If you just started generating, right, this one will be loading. So while it is training, you can close the model, you can close the browser and wait for a while. It will email to you. After you receive the email, you just came back to the website and click create, choose your model. So for me, I already choose the one that I trained, Sajja, and then I will put a headshot, Sajja headshot, professional lighting. The prompt is like your creativity. You can reprompt it, or sometimes you can even ask like ChatGPT or Cloud to generate a better prompt for you. Since this is the custom model, it takes a while for images to generate. So It take a few minutes, a few seconds. Just take a while. Slowly. Yeah, you can see something like this. This is the one I trade. So the one that I trade is, let me show you the custom trade. Oh yeah. These are the images that I upload to the AI model. Sorry, let me show you the images. Yeah, for me, I want to generate more on the, like headshot, like face closer, like selfie kind of photo. So yeah, these are the images that I uploaded to trade, and this is the result. You can generate as much as you want. After that, there's this thing called digital art. So let's try the digital art. Sometimes it's good to explore the different aspect ratio. Different ratio will have got a different result. It take a while to generate. Yeah, you will be able to expand and build the image as well. Now the image is ready. I put a digital art. Yeah, this doesn't look like the digital art. So what this thing does is like I adding like kind of like additional prompt for you, but it's not a perfect one. Yeah, just that's the flow for now. For the pricing, we have 3 plans. You don't need to subscribe, just purchase the credit, and then you will be able to use it. For example, for basic, right, $5, you will get 2,000 credits. Let's say you are, let's say you want to create like product marketing images, like discount things, right? Then I think it's okay for you to start with the basic plan. Standard one is like you will be able to generate around 4,000 images if you just want to generate the images. Yeah, if you want to train your own custom model, right, you will be able to custom train as well. You will we are adding more additional stuff, and you in the future also, right, you will be able to accept all the premium features as well. Yeah, this one is the premium plan. So it's basically like more credits. You can generate more images. Of course, you will be able to train more than one model. Yeah, the training model is like I said. Sometimes you just want to focus on like face, like selfie. Sometimes you just want to focus on like the whole body, right? You can separately train and generate it. Yeah, that's all I want to share. Thank you.